இதெல்லாம் திருப்பி கிடைக்குமா இந்த மாதிரி அற்புதமான விஷயங்கள்? Pujumar. Pujumar.
Do yoga now. My some of the experts here have taught me to do the basic yoga, and my mom wants to say that doing yoga is good for body and mind. First asana is Padmasana.
Good for yoga teacher.
Helps in flow digestion. Release pain in shoulders, elbows and joints. Next,
Vajram.
Before doing Vajrasana, make sure that people who are injured in the knee to
Before doing Vajrasana, Gayatri will do it for us.
You have to it helps in digestion and prevents excess wine formation.
For whom? Wine?
Wine.
Wine, oh. நடக்காடிக்கிறதுனா எப்பவுமே அதான் போறோம். அடுத்து
Surya Namaskar.
சூரிய நமஸ்காரம்.
Mother,
Surya.
only first 3 steps of Surya Namaskar.
சூர்யா கார்த்திக்
First step of
கார்த்திக் வாடா.
doing like this. Second step is lock the next step in my body. It is doing like this. What you told in this picture is right.
When you come, we will tell you how to do it.
This is not a regular yoga class, please.
Oh, okay.
I will do only one.
Okay.
And the third step is doing like this. Since I have excess wind formation, this helps in
Wind addition.
endocrine system is harmonized, blood circulation increases. I don't know how to spell the last one. Sarvasana. This is really tough for him. 3 steps only. This is to rest our body on our shoulders. This is also called as shoulder stand. I don't know whether I can do this, but I will try my best.
விக்ரம் என்ன கட்ட போறாரு? ஏய் உள்ள போய் அட உள்ள என்ன போற?
I don't know whether I can do this. I can't.
Come on, விக்ரம் முடியும் உங்களால. Come on. Come on. You will be able to do it. I know. Oh, hey.
And this shoulder stand regulates the sex glands. It gives a healthy stretch to neck muscles. This is all. Then I have to say, yoga is good for body and mind 10 times. Yoga is good for body and mind. 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 Yoga yoga is good for body and mind. Yoga is good for body and mind. Yoga is good for body and mind.
அப்புறம்
Yoga is good for body and mind. Yoga is good for body and mind. Thank you.
அடுத்து இருக்க ஒரு கர்நாடி பாரு நம்மளுக்காக அது வந்து மதுராலா
Two tea, one coffee.
போடா பொடி போடா பொடி போடா பொடி வந்து இருக்கு போடா பொடி வந்து எனக்கு என்னுடைய சுத்தமா கேட்ட பதில் ஒன்றும் வரல அதனால பண்ண மாட்டேன். ஓகே